Kiama kia PNU ni kiaiguanire gukindira mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ukahuranira giturwa kia president rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja.
Tulikuwa chama cha kwanza kwa hii Kenya kusema tunamuunga His Excellency Raila Odinga mkono kuwa president.
Nona gukiri uguo na manyororetie minista wa urimi Peter Munya makiuga hindi ya wiguano yukiumia kihituku nyegereire mucemanio cio na thegia yake gukorwa tafatie gukorwa utongoria-ini wa kiama kiu kuringana na watho.
Law is very clear about the separation of powers. I think there was merit in saying if you are a civil servant active, don't be active in party politics, because what is likely going to happen is that you are going to bring those kind of divisions, and it is important that we follow the law.
Hajawai pewa position ya party leader na hajawai pewa bendera kusimama urais.
Ihegesha na gaje githiaga na mbere kwiyumiria mitaratara-ini ya kubwo kwa miungano itiganite. Mutongoria wa kiama kia TSP Mwangi Kiunduri ni ahinyiririe mwingi witheme gugacagura ateti kuringana na ciama kana ngwataniro no macuthiririe mogaruku maria magirehe.
Ciama ni tukoe horo wacio muno makiria no ciama iji twene cio muthenya wa muthi andora mekirite thuti ya TNA no marekirire thuti ya Jubilee no mekirite thuti ya UDA muthenya wa muthi na hatire andu ange maciaritwo no acio maroka guka gwetia siasa makiuga turi kiama giki kiama kiria kingi tucagurwo nundu wa mundu fulani witu munene witu thini wa kiama no ti munene wa kiama ugakurutira andu akirinyaga wira andu akirinyaga makarutirwo wira ni atongoria ria maguthura.
Ihinda-ini uriu atongoria a ciama rungu rwa mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja kaunti-ini ya Nakuru nimeranire gugakorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kambeini-ini cia mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga uria wirigirirwo gucera kaunti-ini muthenya wa rucio.
Azimio iko Nakuru na iko mashinani. Kwa hiyo sasa tunataka kueleza wenzetu ya kwamba wasijipige kifua ya kwamba hakuna Azimio hapa. Azimio iko Nakuru na iko kwa imejikita.
Azimio, as you know, is the like-minded parties who are the first thing that unites us. First is we want unity, number one. Number two, we are also saying our biggest problem in this country, inflation is high, and the inflation that is high has been brought by corruption.
Amwe ma matura maria Raila Odinga atanyitwo gugacera ni hamwe na Moro, Turi Elbagon, Joro na Kisulisuli. Kirifotera Kameme TV, ritoria kwa ni Mubi Washege.